everyone. So I apologize for the lack of videos and all that, but as you can see, something changed and there were some logistical issues. Surprisingly, the tires had more troubles getting into the shop than the wheels did. But anyway, after a lot of deliberation, I was gonna wait to get the wheels leaving the Subaru just on jack stands and whatnot. But I decided to pull the trigger and just go ahead and get the new wheels and tires anyway, because I wanted to roll down the street and enjoy the car just a little bit. But yeah, so I left the car idling just so you guys can hear it while it's idling. Hopefully it's not too loud. But here are the wheels, and forgive me, I'm not too familiar with Enkis, although the name is huge. I wanted the RPF ones, but those are a little bit out of my price range. So these are the TS5s, if I'm not mistaken, and they are the same. They're the same specs as the Rotas were. So they're a 17x9 with a plus 42 or 45 offset. That I can't remember. Either way, they clear the Brembos with plenty of space left, and it's wrapped in Continentals. Let me see if I can get the size on one of the tires. But I was going to get the Nitto NTO5s again. However, apparently by the words of my customer service rep, those are being replaced, but I wasn't told what the replacement's going to be. Anyway, went ahead and got the Continental Extreme Contacts. Now they're a all-season tire, and that's kind of that's something I really wanted to have, but they are also directional, so you know they got a little bit of a performance advantage there, since you can't just flip-flop them all over the place. But they are the same size, and sorry for turning it to the side, but got 255, 40, 17ths, and so far, just with the street driving, I am having no issues with them whatsoever. They're actually pretty dang fantastic. I made them squeal once, but it's also cold out here, so that tires probably weren't up to temperature and all that. But regardless, I'm really enjoying the look of the car much more with these wheels and tires. The white was a clean look, and it's definitely for car shows, but in terms of tracking, I think it was especially just the fact that they were Rotas. Maybe I'm just being a little bit biased, but yeah, the Rotas had a little bit of misshaping to them, so I decided to go with something I've always wanted, which were Enkis. Didn't get the RPF ones, but I went with something, and the 5-spoke turned out way better than I anticipated. I also wanted to get the car back on the road because I'm trying to promote for my friends a little bit here. So we got Killer Innovations, Untamed Motors, and Onichin Racing, and you can check them all out on Instagram. Pretty cool guys, so I'm out here supporting them. But yeah, just wanted to get a quick video and show you guys the new wheels, and when track season opens up again, I didn't want to be held back, so I am back on the road and I can officially push the car harder. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.